So it's May 15th, and it's about 5:15 in the morning. I am having my deviated septum surgery today. And so we will see how everything goes, and I will update a little later with how I'm doing and feeling and all of that good stuff. So anyways, 5 in the morning. I don't know if you can see it. 5. So the sun is coming up. I don't know if you can see that, but slowly the sun is rising. So anyways, talk to you guys later. So this is about about 10 hours since I've had surgery. I started at 7:30 this morning. It is 7 o'clock in the evening now. Surgery was about an hour and a half, and I was a little nervous, I guess because they were doing work around my face, so I think that's why I was a little bit more nervous about having the surgery. I did have a little bit of nausea when I woke up, and that was probably from when they do the surgery. They clean everything out. There's a lot of blood and some blood clots, and they were in my throat. So I think what happened is because they were in there, it makes you nauseated. So I threw up a couple times. I was tired, groggy, but not too bad. The doctor did give me some pain medication, and then antibiotic as well. And then once I was nauseous, he also gave me some medication for the nausea, which I didn't even go and fill it because I knew the reason why. So anyway, so most of the day I've just been resting. I'd wake up a little bit, and then I'd want to lay back down. It's hard to sleep. I cannot lay flat for the first couple days. I have to be elevated, so I have to have a couple pillows propped up, which is going to be hard for me because I am a side sleeper. So let's see how that's going to go. I'm stuffed up because I do have the packing in my nose right now. And the doctor said that the packing is a type of packing that will, it kind of naturally goes away. Like he's not going to pull out the packing. I'm going to go back on Thursday. So about 6 days. Today's Friday, so next Thursday. And he said he's going to go in and just remove whatever might be left from that packing and kind of clean things up. So for the most part, I don't feel too bad, just stuffy. So it's kind of like when you're sick and you can't breathe through your nose. So you're breathing through your mouth all the time, so it's a little difficult to eat and things like that. Other than that, not too bad. I've been changing this every couple hours, the gauze here. And just, it's just running a little bit, not too bad. I want to blow my nose, which I cannot do. And a lot of crusties around the nostrils. So I've just been cleaning that up with a Q-tip. And so I'll clean it up maybe a little bit more before I go to bed tonight. So other than that, not too bad. So that is, like I said, about 10 hours after surgery. So I will do another update maybe tomorrow, and we'll see. All right. Hey, so it is 1 in the afternoon, the day after my surgery. So right now that's about 24, maybe 26, 27 hours since I had my surgery. You can see a lot of crusties. I still feel really stuffed up, obviously from the packing. And I'm feeling pretty good. Just the difficulty breathing, that I have to breathe from my mouth and propping up my head from the surgery. So they said to keep my head up when I'm sleeping at night for the first couple days. And then also, I can't sleep on my side. I have to be on my back, which is really hard for me because I am a side sleeper. But for the most part, I'm feeling good. Just a little sore, like my body's kind of sore. I am taking the medications that my doctor gave. One is an antibiotic, and then the other one is for the pain. But I'm only taking one of the pain pills. On the prescription, it said 1 to 2 pain pills a day. But other than that, I'm feeling pretty good, like I said. And just resting a lot, trying to get a lot of sleep. And it's kind of hard. Like, I'll do a couple things around the house. Maybe, try and make a salad or something. And then by then, I'm like kind of tired. So I'm just taking it easy. And not too bad. I have a lot of stuff going down my throat now, like phlegm and all the sinuses and all the junk. And like for me, it's hard to cough it up because I can't really cough. I can't really open my mouth, like maybe a little bit when I'm trying to eat, because it's so, like in here, all the whatever blood is all dried up, so it's kind of hard because I don't want to move it too much. I don't want anything to bust open and start bleeding. So anyways, so that is about it. So maybe I'll give you another update later on tonight. And so I will talk to you guys again. Bye. So hello again. This is day 2. It is Sunday evening, like 7 o'clock. So it's been 48 hours now. There's a lot of bugs out. I don't know why. Beautiful sunset though. Hey. I want to say I'm feeling better, but I'm just having a lot of like crusties here coming from like the tip of my nose. So it's really like hard and it hurts for me to like when I'm chewing on food or eating or something. These bugs, oh my god. And so I tried to clean them out a little bit this morning, just with some hydrogen peroxide to kind of unstick those little blood clots that are pieces or whatever they are. But I might go by the doctor's office tomorrow to see if maybe they can maybe clean out the tip here. Because the doctor did tell me to not pull anything out, to not touch anything, just kind of let everything be. But I'm still having problems. Like I can't breathe yet. It's hard to sleep at night. I didn't sleep at all last night. I was waking up every 20 minutes to drink some water because my throat was so dry and I just was not comfortable at all. So, but right now at this point, I'm feeling a little bit better, but I was sleeping a lot of the day or just laying there. I was not in the mood for anything, but so, it's just blocking, those pieces that are falling down right now, they're just blocking and I can't blow my nose. So I just have to be patient, I guess. So other than that, that's about it. I have to go back to the doctor on Thursday. So that's why like 4 more days of this blocking here is very annoying. I kind of wish the doctor would have had me come back on Monday, clean whatever he needed to maybe clean out on the tip to make me feel a little bit better, and then to go back again on Thursday for him to clean everything out, which sounded like a better idea to me. But anyways, enjoy the sunset and talk to you later. So, hello everyone. It is Tuesday about 6 p.m.
6:39.
6:39 p.m. And just another update on my procedure. I went to the doctor yesterday because I had felt like there was something in my nose, and I wanted him to see if it was something he could clean out maybe a little bit for me and help me out. And he took a look, and he told me that there were some, what are they called? Splints, I don't know, that hold the nose there. So that's what I'm feeling, because I feel like something, it's almost like, feels like it's plastic or something. And he said those need to stay in until Thursday when I go back for him to clean everything out. I'm sleeping a little bit better. I'm sleeping on my side a little bit more. It's still hard to breathe at night, so my throat is really, really dry at night. And that's what I wake up from, maybe sometimes half an hour, sometimes, an hour. I wake up and I gotta drink water because my throat is so dry. But at least my sleep is a little bit better because I'm not on my back the whole time. But, I guess what the doctor said, it's just, this whole surgery is more just of an annoyance, because it's very annoying. My nose blocked up still. I can breathe in a little bit, but not enough where I still have to sleep with my mouth open, so I'm not getting enough air. I took a shower today, and I can feel, I'm trying to stop taking the pain medication as well. But after taking the shower, I could feel like I think there's stitches there. So I can feel those stitches, and they're like pulling. And, when I sleep at night, I turn from one side and I can feel like the pressure like pulling down. When I flip on the other side, the pressure goes on the other side. So those stitches were hurting. I took a pain pill just so I wouldn't have that problem. Plus I have like a little headache up in here, sinus. But slowly I'm getting better, but I feel like I will not have the relief until Thursday when I go to the doctor. So I'm doing a few more things, like I'm driving now, but I'm not out for hours at a time or anything. Like today, I went out for maybe a couple hours, and when I got home, I was pretty tired. And that's pretty much it. Taking it slowly, not being in the sun. They said don't be in the sun, stay out of the sun, get rest, all those fun things. So that's what I'm doing. And so I will update. I don't know if I'll update tomorrow. Probably once I get everything out Thursday, I will probably do another update and let you know how hopefully I'll be feeling a lot better at that time. So anyways, another beautiful sunset here in Arizona. Woohoo! And my helper throughout this whole time. Hello. Grr. He's a grumpy old man, so I thought I was grumpy right now, but he's still a grumpy old man, and he didn't even have surgery. So anyways, I will update you guys a little bit later, in a couple days. Okay, bye. Hey everyone, so I'm doing another video. This is day 7 of my surgery. I went to the doctor's yesterday to get my splints removed, and I feel a lot better because I can actually breathe through my nose somewhat. I mean, I'm still congested, as you can maybe hear, but the process of going in, I had seen a few of the YouTube videos before I went to the doctor's office, and I guess I wasn't sure how I would feel
when he removed the splints, but it was very simple. It took like 2 minutes. The doctor cut the stitches, and he only cut on the one side, the one nostril. The other side he didn't. He just pulled it out. And it was very quick. I had some junk come out, which, you know, obviously it's going to, but so much better. At least I can sleep at night now. I'm not breathing through my mouth. My throat was hurting a little bit yesterday, and also like my ear was bothering me a little bit, and I don't know if that had to do with like me blowing my nose a little bit, but compared to the first 6 days, much better, and I suspect it will start to get even better as the days progress. I have to go again on Tuesday for him to take a look and clean a little bit out, and clean whatever gunk it might be in there, and then I'll go from there. We'll see when he wants to see me again. But like I said, he just took those little splints out. He did a little vacuum, whatever he could grab, and he told me basically to do the saline like wash, that neti pot or one of those. So I went and got one of those, and I do those 3 times a day. And it feels a little weird to do those, but hey, I guess if it helps, then I'll do it. I have no problem doing that. And also, I went and got like a saline spray, like for my nose, to do a few times a day, like in between those washings that I'm doing. But I'm feeling a lot better. I still don't have that great energy. Yesterday I wasn't feeling good. I was like freezing last night, and then had to go and take like a hot shower, and because I couldn't, I was like freezing. I don't know, my body temperature, I don't know, from the surgery, just in general, I guess, I don't know. But today I'm feeling better. We'll see later how I'm feeling. But Tuesday, it's Memorial Day, so I think I would have gone on Wednesday or something, but he wanted me to come in Tuesday. But it is Memorial Day weekend, and beautiful here in Arizona. I'll show you a little bit here. Some nice flowers. Some of them are starting to die, but you know, hey, life is good. I can breathe through my nose. Yay! So anyways, I might do another video later on, next week sometime, let you know how I'm doing. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video on day 12 or 13 after my surgery. I went to the doctor's yesterday to do like a recheck to make sure everything was healing properly. I wasn't really expecting much at the appointment, but when I got into the room, waited for the doctor, he came, he checked everything with a little light to make sure everything was healing okay. And then, wow, what can I say? Then he went to proceed to go into the sinuses and up somewhere in here, I don't even know where exactly, to suction everything out or vacuum it all out. And let me tell you, that was a little, not really painful, but it was uncomfortable, and I wasn't really expecting this to happen. I was just expecting maybe for him to like cut the stitches from this side of my nostril, but no. So he went in and he did this side first. He actually sprayed some like decongestant into this side, and he proceeded to go in here first. And he was like digging around. I could feel him with that thing going up, and then he like turned it around and just kept pushing a little bit more. And he got like a whole bunch of like blood and stuff out. But when I left from the doctor's though, it was just so, I could just tell it was really open, really clear sinuses, but it was almost like pressure in my, like in here in my forehead and my eye area. I think just because I wasn't expecting it. But like I said, I mean, it wasn't like painful. I just was not expecting that kind of pain. And let me tell you, like yesterday after the appointment, it was like I could not go to the library. Like I wanted to go to the library and study, do some homework, and I couldn't do that because it was just hurting, and it was just clear. It was like open all the way, and I could feel like when I was breathing in, I could feel it like all the way down into my chest. Like that's how open everything was. I mean, now it's back to kind of like normal. I feel better. But anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys about it because that's not something I've heard anyone talk about, at least from whatever videos I've happened to see, which have not been like a lot. But I did see a few videos where they did do that vacuuming, and you could see like a bunch of blood in the thing. So there was just a little tiny bit of bleeding, like when I would wipe my nose, there was just a little bit left over. I'm doing that, what is it, neti pot or whatever they call it. He told me to do it twice a day. And I asked him if it would be okay now to like do a facial scrub like in my nose, because I'm really dry in here, but I'm in Arizona, so it's just naturally dry. We don't have a lot of humidity. And he said that was fine. And then I also asked him if I can go get a massage, and he was like, that is fine as well, because I was worried about laying like face down. He did say, however, to not do the neti pot before I go for my massage, to do it maybe after, because if I do it before, my nose might start running, and that will just be, kind of dirty. And but anyway, so I just want to talk about that appointment, and it was just a really interesting experience. So you might be lucky to experience that. So anyways, that's it. Other than that, so far so good. I'm waiting for my stitches to dissolve on this side, so this is a little uncomfortable now. Like when I blow my nose a little bit, I feel like there's stuff in there, but it's not, it's just the stitches. And that's about it. So peace out. Bye. Hey guys, this is going to be the last video about my septoplasty. It has been 45 days since I had surgery. I am feeling much, much better. Everything is feeling really pretty much back to normal. Like before, my nose kind of felt like it wasn't part of my face, like it was almost not attached. It's feeling a lot better. I'm still doing the nasal cleansing, that neti pot, like twice a day, morning and then at night. I did go in a few weeks, no, like last week, and the doctor again cleaned out my sinuses with the vacuum. And I was talking to him about where he actually puts that vacuum, like where does it go? And he said it goes in through the nostril, and he actually, like, you can feel him when he's doing it, he like twists it around, and he actually goes in to this area here and he cleans all that out. And what I will do is I'll actually post a picture at the end of some of the stuff that he removed. So it's just a little bit of blood. I mean, it's nothing really bad, but if you can't handle that, don't watch that end part. But other than that, I'm feeling pretty well, breathing better. My mom says that I don't breathe as loud as I used to. It's much quieter. I was taking a nap a few times, like on the couch, and she was like, yeah, you're just snoring, but it was just very, very light snoring. It wasn't like real heavy where it would wake somebody up. So that's obviously changed a little bit. Post-nasal drip, I don't have much post-nasal drip anymore. So that's good.
Lately, like before I had surgery, I was having a heartburn a little bit, not all the time, but just occasional. The sinus, that dull headache that I had after surgery, that's gone away. I maybe had a little bit of some pressure in there yesterday. Other than that, though, it's been really good. So for the most part, things are getting back to normal. And like I said, it's 45 days since surgery. I probably won't do another video. Maybe I will, but probably not. But if you have surgery, good luck with it. Be patient. That first week is really hard. So, but be patient. It will get better. And that is about it. So, good luck with surgery if you're having it. If you have any questions, let me know. I will try and answer for you. So, peace out and good luck with your surgery if you're having that soon. Okay? Take care. Bye.